Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to book Grab food for someone else. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Grab application from the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you have. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile. But guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Grab. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Grab videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have here in front of us. So here we have the home screen where you can go add your card, see your points, and see a lot of different things on the home screen that you can go and check out. On the activity tab, you can check out all of your activity. So at the moment I don't have any, but be sure guys, when you have some, they will appear here. On the payment tab, you can go and add your card and see everything about your transactions and payments. We have the messages tab where you have your chats, where you can go and find your chats with our support specialist here. And you have also your notifications. And lastly, we have the account where you can see everything about your account. So you can see your rewards, subscription challenges, reward members, favorites, payment method schedules. You can see the help center, setting, languages, and basically everything that has to do with your personal account. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and book Grab food for someone else. Well, basically you can go and put the address of the person where you want the food to go to, and that's basically how you can do it for someone else. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining. If you did guys, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.